Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri Rangbah kajila ukan rat sangma haka khatway tarik leber arajar arpuhendrio. Ula Pynbna baan Pynsangeh Shwa ya Ilekshon MDC Ghadc ADC kabanlong haka shpau tarik uyayong. Kani gajing Pynbna Myntri Rangbah kadai namar gajingjur gajing kan at jat benrio hari luom garo hapdeng ki jat benrio garo bat ki weipat ki jat benrio bomdei riu luom. Gajing kan at kalami hadian gajing Shwa UMLA barim ke Phulbari US Tamur Mominin ubamdei uriulom ringkat bat kinong kershan jong u katba kidang net banthap kerteng ye u hak office UDC ke West Garo Hills hadian ba ke GHADC ke menjur ban Shwa ya ki bomdan ya ke Sernot ST ban ya khon ya ke Ilekshon GHADC gajing kan at kalami iru gajing ya brio arngut.
Dear friends, keeping the current prevailing situation that is prevailing in Garo Hills right now and keeping the sentiments of the people in mind, the government of Meghalaya has decided to postpone the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council elections. We will sit and we will decide on how to further take this procedure ahead. But till then, the decision has been made to postpone the elections.